Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today I'm out here at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Wow, if you saw the first video on these tracks, wait till you see this one. These are absolutely fantastic, and I was blown away by what they done to the bunks. Really sharp. So stick around and as we go through this one. So this is a 2026 Forest River Puma Trax, model number 3150 TBSS. So let's get started. The length on this Trax is 36 feet 10 inches. The dry weight is 6,753 pounds with a hitch weight of 880. GVWR of 8,743. Wow, let's go through this one. Right up front, powered tongue jack. Batteries will fit right back there. This pass-through. Let's check this out. Oh wow. Solar controller, battery disconnect. Oh, there's your water pump and filter access. You do have a heated pass-through. Awesome. You've got this little area right back here which has a lip. You can actually put something there. And on the other side, you've got this little area, little tray right here. Cool. All right, your city water, fresh water connections, all that right there. Let's take a look here. Fresh water drain. You do have powered stabilizers. Here is your dump area. This one is right on the side of your slide, and that one's going to be right under it, so you have to keep that in mind. You do have a rack and pinion slide. Beautiful graphics. As we're coming on down, cable satellite connection is a 50 amp camper. Spare tire, Lippert ladder already prepped, and your backup camera. Coming around the campsite, your awning is 19 feet. Let's check out this storage right here. Oh wow. Okay, got a little light up in here. If you wanted to, you could add a little fridge in here because you do have power. Coming on down the campsite, you do have a place for a TV, your cable, power, tankless water heater. And let's check out this side of the pass-through. See, there's your griddle. What is this? You got power out here, got a light. This is really sharp now. Really nice pass-through. All right, let's get in here and take a look. That's right, Amanda's not with me. She is overseas on a Scotland trip. Asdale's sidewalls. As soon as you walk in, you've got your tankless water heater control. You've got your other control panel. Now, stepping into this Puma Trax. Cool. Okay, I think I'm going to do the obvious first, and that is spin you around. And we're going to check out these bunk rooms. These are the really sharp. Hey, and right now, let me go ahead and say this. You got a vent, and you can put a third AC on here. That's what I'm talking about. This bunk room is absolutely separate from the other one. You've got lights. There's your vents there in the ceiling. You got heating in the floor. You've got this drawers right here. And up top, you have got this cabinet where you can hang up some clothes. Yes, and they are mirrored. And down here, got a window, and if I spin you around, you've got this little area right here, light switch. You can power and put a TV over there because there's your cable and USB and another light. Wow, this is absolutely done great. And now and you've got the sliding doors. And now the other side, as you can see, you got steps to go up. And now this one is up top. You have the same thing, this little shelf. You got power, TV backer right there, USB, your cable. These are some sharp bunk rooms. All right, so we can hang up some clothing here. And now we've got 2 drawers right here. And this step right here will fool you. You've got a little storage down there. And if I back up, your heating is right there. All right, tell me what you think about these bunk rooms. Wow, these are absolutely sharp. All right, let's take a look at this entertainment center. 42-inch TV. You've got some storage right above there. Sound bar, USB, USB, and your fireplace. And yes, there is a handle. And yes, Don, this TV will swivel. And if we pull on this, yep, you've got all of this back behind the entertainment. Plug in back there. Yes, only one. Really, really sharp. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, if I step on back a little, let's see. Fridge, let's go ahead and take care of the kitchen. You got your 12-volt compressor fridge. 2-burner cooktop. Nope, excuse me. 3-burner cooktop with your oven. You do have a cutting board, so they give you a place to put that. Hood range. Little microwave. Got some storage cabinets up here and cabinets over on this side. Nice counter space back here. Big stainless steel sink with your faucet. Let's go ahead and take a look. You got power and a paper towel holder. Let's take a look. Let's take a look under here. Yes, there is room for a garbage can. And you've got 3 drawers right there. In the slide, you've got the dinette and the theater seating. Whew. Cup holders, storage there. Got some storage under your table on each side. And it will drop down into a bed for even more sleeping arrangements. All right, let's check out this bathroom. And if I didn't say it, there's your air conditioner controls. In the bathroom, big shower, 30 by 48 shower. No problem for me to step up in that. Got a rack there to hang some towels up, and you've got the small vent fan. And if I keep turning around, we've got some linen storage here. That's right. Liquefied, 20% off. Look in the description of this video. And a nice counter spot, counter space. There is a mirrored medicine cabinet. And we've got a little storage under here. And this spot under here, yes, you can get a combo unit under this counter. That is sharp. Not too many builders do that. There's your power right there. Stepping into the bedroom. Oh wow, I love this lighting up here above. We've got a light switch, boom, right there. Look at all of this. We can start here with your hanging some clothes up right here. Do have a drawer here. And I'm going to have to get back here to see what's going on. How about that? Oh, if I can get over there to it. You got a little spot right here for some storage on each side of the bed. Power USB, another shelf. There's some lights that I do not have on. And storage all the way across the top. Oh, wow. This is fantastic. Your second door. Second entry door, so if you take a road stop, you can still get to your bathroom. USB and power on each side. This is fantastic. There's your light switch to turn this lighting off. Your second AC unit, GE profile. And if you want to put another TV, it'll go right there. And there's your cable and your power. Really, really sharp. Let's check out under the bed. This looks to be like a queen size bed. Okay, the bed does not come up. So you have it's all open under the bed. So that's even better. I like that. All right, folks, tell me what you think about this Puma Trax with the bunkhouse. Really fantastic. All right, everybody. Dealership's information is down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Follow along with us. That's right. Give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.